Dynamic titles and subtitles is a powerful feature that can take your report to the next level and add additional context for the report users. Let's have a look at that example here. We've got a dynamic title and subtitle set up here. If I select something on a segment, you can see that title gets updated automatically and shows us that value that we have selected in the segment. If I clear all selection, it would show us that sales by country for all segments are selected and shown. Now let's have a look at the date slicer. The same thing, we are changing minimum date. It gets changed in our subtitle. We do the same for the maximum date and it gets changed in the subtitle. To make titles and subtitles dynamic, you need to create DAX measures. And then you'll be able to use those DAX measures in the settings for the title and subtitle. Let's have a look how I have done that. So if you navigate to a format pane and then on the title, you'll find conditional formatting. You'll be able to select the measure that you have written for dynamic title there. In my case, I have written a measure called total sales by country. It returns a text string. The beginning of the text string is hard-coded, total sales by country for, and then this part is concatenated with the selected segment. Selected segment is the dynamic part that returns the value depending on the selection in the slicer. I'm using selected value function, which takes two arguments. The first argument is the column that we are using in the slicer itself, in table financials segment. And then the second argument is the alternative result that you want to return in case your slicer is cleared of the selection. And that second argument is hard-coded to return all segments. So in case my slicer is cleared of any selection, it would always show total sales by country for all segments. Let's have a look at the date slicer and how I use that in the subtitle. It's written slightly different. The reason for this is because I don't need to use selected value to return the second argument because I always have the selection on the date. Hence, I'm using minimum and maximum functions here. I have also used the format function to adjust the format that I want to return in the subtitle. And then I'm concatenating the text string for reporting period between with the minimum date and maximum date.